Kanada Dudarshan Meghalaya bagi pedang sobhai pi baro sya ketuk kuam taka janmit syaban phai ki kubar ki pinya ngine pe chhi kimat pakongsan. Kajing job dan buram ke BJP ha Assam kan keta ya ki kamsan perthai ha Meghalaya ong uno ai klien ke BJP ha Meghalaya upa M Khakram. Anpan tarik biang ke sarkar jela na Menteri Rang Badu keri banwan play ya ke Shillong Medical College. Shen an sapenhe ya ke Shillong Civil Hospital na ke jingkil ke jingdon ki bawan ban pha sumai. Bat an kelalong kamat ti doyong ke benta ke bakongsan ban raya ke election sya ke yingdor ba thau an ha ke jela ha usnam an hajar apukra ong unong yalam ke UDP uba kan menshila. Mentangin ya phai sya ki khubor na keleng ke jela. Da ka jingyo bat biang ka BJP ya ka bor sinshar ha Assam bat ka jingyo sinshar Uhimanta Biswa Sarma ha ka samai trekam ka baar ka Bharatiya Janata Party Meghalaya unit kalaong ba ka jingjop ha Assam ka penpau ya ka jingklan ha ka jingyo jingkershan jong ka party unong aiktin jong ka BJP ha ka jila uba M Kharkrang ula penpau ya ka jing smos kem ba ka ni ka jingjop kan ai minsim ya ka Meghalaya ru kumju da ka bayat hu lupa ba ka BJP kan sala banjob bun shuki ha ka election sya ka yingdor ba thau an ke jela house nem arhajar arpupra.
Assam very clear. Even after 10 years, the BJP was voted to get to power, and that also it was voted to power with a higher vote percentage and also more seats. Why? Because it was pro-incumbency, not anti-incumbency. Many of the governments, after 10 years, anti-incumbency comes in. Here, with the BJP Assam, it was pro-incumbency. I just hope so Meghalaya also, our people, the voters of Meghalaya also understand that. And you can check it up in Nagaland. There was a one-by poll. That also went to the BJP because Nagaland has started to accept BJP over there. So I just hope so, and I believe that people of Meghalaya also, as a matter of time, you wait 20 years, they will accept BJP.
Kesarkar Meghalaya kan selek kendu biang ya Menteri Rang Badu keri Narendra Modi ban kerpat ya ban bu tarik na ka benta ka jingple perda ya ka Shillong Medical College bat ka hospital lane ka SMCH. Menteri ka tanat ka koi ka kya uba wailat miki shilla ula ong ba Menteri Rang Badu keri ula debu tarik arsin kham haswa ban ple perda Henry lapan kenria no na ki daw ki bamlakyar. Ula penpau ya ka jingkermen ba ya ka ni ka Medical College ansala ban ple menta usnam uba asyala ulaong ba ka Medical College ba kala terekam lupa ringkat ke jingdon kisan pungut ki kena puli hadin beladab ban pediang ya ka jingmenjer na ka Medical Council of India.
Like you all know, like this is like aspiration of the people of Meghalaya to have its own medical college. So it's a big achievement and it's a big thing for the state. So that's why we want that in for this particular function, we would like the Honorable Prime Minister to come and inaugurate it himself. We want to operationalize it by this year. It's like by next session, we want to take the student. So that depend, like we have to see, we'll know only after the completion of this, the recruitment of this faculty only. So whether we'll have the number or not, then only we'll be able to say that. But otherwise, government is committed to make it operationalized by next session.
Menteri Rang Ba ke jela u Konrad ke sangma hinin kesni ula pli ya ke sailum ka jaka ba penmi ya ki sai eri silk habhoi rimbong ribhoi district ban kentiu ya ke jing penmi ya ki bat ban ai jing kershan ya ki nong ri knyang rindia bat ki nong than jan jong ke jela haba ai jing kren ha ka ni ke program Menteri Rang Ba ke jela ula ong ba ka ni ke jaka penmi sai kan kentiu ya ke jing koridor jong ki sai rindia ban kentiu ya ki kamthir bat penmi sai bat kan pli ya ki lan Iba kambiang na kabenta ki nong ri knyang pat nong thanjan ula airu ya ka jingerap pisa ka balai pusan lak tingka hapo ka prime Meghalaya scheme ban ai jingkershan ya ka ni ka project.
Asylum has done, it has created now this opportunity, filled up this vacuum and gap that was present, and as mentioned by our friend who had just spoken before me from Nectar, that they have brought up a unit out here, one of its kind, in the country he's mentioning. If not in the country, at least in the region, I'm sure. That is now being able to give that opportunity to be able to sell the cocoons right here without having to send it outside, getting the right price for it, and most importantly, the weavers are able to then buy this product, the yarns produced out here, at a much more affordable rate than the rate that was being given by outside.
Ya ka Shillong Civil Hospital kabla rim bat kabala kapnya shen an sa penhe no khnang banla man penrung nong pang khambun bat bandon ya ki rukom ai jing sumar ki ba khambiang umentri katanat ka kot ka kya uba bailat me ki shela uloong ba ka Red Cross kala menjur ban ai ya ka jaka ka jongka na ka benta ban penhe ya ka ni ka hospital ula pentip ba ya ka kai pot ka babnia halor ka ni ka project la de ban penkre bat an sa pen mission ya ki tender.
We are planning on expanding it, and then but as you know that it is already functional. So it is very challenging for us because the kind of location where it is. But thankfully to the Red Cross Meghalaya last time where CM visited this lady girl, mother and child, I think this center, or I don't recall exact name. So they have agreed to give their land for the civil hospital to expand there. So we'll expand it. We already prepared the DPR also. So I think very soon we will be coming up with the tender and all. So where we'll accommodate them also, and the area will be given to the civil hospital also to use it, to expand it.
UMLA ka kliriat ubolong ru umentri sarkar berim ubakar men shela uloong baki seng san perthei ki bala ban pinbet ya ka jingkhang ti doyong kinla ban job ha ka election shaka ying dor bar thau an ka jila haus nam arajar apopra uba shela uloong ba ka jingkhang ti doyong ka bala khat ars nam kinthi kalak ta jori ki pat ba jong ka East Giant Hills ha ka ba ka jing ti doyong kadang ne banlong kalat kamai jakpo na ka benta ki babun ki long ying long sem uloong baki pat ba menta ki ya ka jing bishar hok bat kilong ki bala kre ban ai ka jing kershan na ka benta kanu ka seng ka bala ban penbet ya ka ni ka jing e.
As of now, my people is a direct affected area when it comes to coal. So my people always cry for this thing that we wish there's a party, and we wish the government could do something, that the coal ban will be lifted from East Giant Hills directly, and even the state as a whole. So my people will not mind any other party. It could be BJP, it could be VPP, NPP, my party, UDP, whichever party, they don't mind. But it has to be a party who can, deliver, especially help us to live the ban. So even now, my people are expecting the same.
National People's Party na Mauthat Raishan Block Dangshan kala penlong ya ka jingelang pajba ha ka shnong nong shlong ha Eastern West Khasi Hills banyalap na ka benta ukurtong jong ka party I Dr. DRL Nonglaj hashwa ka election shitang samoy sya ka ying dorbar Lok Sabha ha ka ni ka jingelang lawan banishim benta da ki simbut menteri rangba ka jela iba preston tensong bat uba snyaw bhalang dhar na lor kiwe habakren ha ka ni ka sngi ukurtong jong ka party I Dr. Nonglaj ilapan ya ka jingkurku na gipat ba bat ila smai ru bantay na ka benta ka bha kamyat jong kipat ba bat na ka benta ka roy kapar lada ishajit
Kiong ni ikenap palat yai Dr. Nonglaj ubriu bedan buram ubriu baru belai ubriu batik ya kaduk kasuk nrei tang kawai ke bangin ikenap nangas ngap jar kai kata kabong itengat kiong itengat nama kien ien dokli na parti NPP balai ujit naka NPP kakam kalakren kamjam ban ya kejikeno
Nakini kaman sip ini, kaman iyo kan pempawa kapor kaman niram sama, nakan mau, ya iramba restun pensong, deputy minister but state president, ya don nak wait organisation buat pun Khasi Janti organization, mana beri nak yang ke youth wing. Dia menjawab kelang Islam. Panikai Islamlah. Panikian yang kita berbuat. Panikai. Ini kilong kami kilong kepa. Panikian. Nak rekam kamai. Nak berkaji drugs. Pakiwai paki jindi berbuat. Dia berterang. Paki darbar senam ki darbar hima. Dia menerangkan buat di district administration, buat komjuro, buat kiwai de, kibar, kiwai de, yang kapan kentiu, yang kasuk kesan jabha kamiat, pakai imlan kasalan.
Unong yalam jong ke UDP uba kermen chela ulo ong ba kamlong ka babakla lada ki seng san perthei ki le yewer ya unong yalam jong ki weipat ki seng what happening ka jingmi khubor ba ka seng ka ba bat ya ka bor sinshar ka National People's Party ka persang ban penrung dukhat ya bun ki nong yalam jong ke UDP uba chela ula penshai ba amshim ladon ki balawan ban ya kren bat bat ong ba dan jing tip AA balada la khat ya ki we ki MLA ka UDP ula penpau ya ka jing snow scam ba ki nong Sean jong UDP kindang beteng ban yang ringkat bat ka party haki election ki ban salong.
And for others, I have no comment because I really don't know whether they have approach or not. Nobody will tell the truth actually. So if they have approach, also nothing wrong in that. Any party can approach anybody, but it's just that the person, he himself knows what is the most benefit for him. Either to shift his own party to others or to stay with his own party. He knows better in his own constituency. But for me, personally, I would like to say that anything you do, especially to all the MLAs, take the concern of your people because they are the one who will elect you. Otherwise, if you do it by yourself, then people will leave you, then it will be a problem because to be back 28, you need your own people of your constituency. The same will happen to me. If anything, whatever we do, it has to be with the concern of the people.
UMLA ka kliriat uba kermenchila ula pediang ya ka jing terwang ban shna ya ka surok ka ban penyaso ya ka jalan Meghalaya bat ka Assam ka ban kentiu ya ka yo ka kot da ka boong ba kani ka project kan ajing mentoy shibun ya ka East Giant Hills bat ya kiwe ki district ki badon hashilin ter kani ka surok 4 lane kan ya lingba ya ka Ribhoy East Khasi Hills West Giant Hills but East Giant Hills hashwa ban ya so bat ka jala Assam kani ka project ka ba shongdor 8,000 praspa hanru pusau keluar tingka kan kentup ya ka jingshna ba shispa hanru punriu point pra kilometer ka surak ka ba namau lingkong hajan shillong chadu ksha 5 gram ka badon hajan salshar.
This is not only for East Janti Hills, it's for the country as a whole. So that's why having this high-speed corridor, crossing through East Janti Hills is a blessing for my people and people of East Janti Hills. And wherever this high-speed corridor cross is a blessing for all those areas, because this will ease the traveling, and then will reduce the time traveling, and especially it will bring a lot of change.
Kinong yalam bat reu rangba jong ke hima sora kila penrem ya ke jingkren jong president ke VPP uba Aden Mela Besaimat halor ke jingeki badangshan ha Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council da ka bakan pat ya ke jingken tho ba kinong yaki persha ki de kinong kershan jong ke National People's Party unong ai jingmut jong ke senjuk ki kli nong senshar ke hima sora ipa em laborious manik SM ila ong ba ke jingyaki persha ke thumutang banbat bat banyada ya kabor sinshar kat kum kariti dostur jongki Khasi bat kam don jingade bat ki sengsan perthai.
We're quite surprised. We would have just keep quiet if they had done anything whatever they want. But the fact that we are here today is because it is unfortunate that we made Aden had just choose to make a political issue out of the traditional customary practices. Furthermore, you have scandalized the innocent and honest demand of Ikon Ihajar of Himasora to have the CMD choose according to the custom and religious rites of Himasora. You branded these innocent people as NPP supporters, failing to see that the binding force is not party politics, but a love for the time-tested tradition inherited from their forefathers, based on the tenets and the wisdom of our ancestors.
Kitukot jong ka Federation of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo people beridwa circle hinin kasngi kila penlong ya ka jingle jure persha ya ki dukan ki badi ya ki khaini bat ki dumadi hajan ki school habaridwa Ripoy district hapo ka jingelam jong president uba Dennis Nongrum ka kenhun kala le jure ya ki dukan ki ba hajan ka Little Star Higher Secondary School bat ka Savio Higher Secondary School hadin ka jingsham ba katu ka ne ki dukan ba ki de ya ki duma ka organization kala maham persha ya ki nong di dukan ki bedon hajan jong ki school.
Ini orang komplain lagi Wisnu hane kita ki dukan ba di secret amboko dukan kuai you masa jengki school sebio berarti sistem mo apa mai kumno ki yo lad ba song dukan ha marjan di school mo last ba ki ong ba kita di ninja ki kena school nungi ba pule ha sebio berarti sistem mo. Next time ting ngek ting dong ru the principal na yo dong romsnong do nakali kasing ban simjing ba hatam bat ngakan pat ru igi romsnong ban kit kha bo ban kit kha nam ta kane ban khang ki dukan ki jai dukan ne bat ngakan pat yo di commissioner ba kit kha nam ta kane.
Ka National People's Party Women's Wing, but ka National People's Women's Front, Ribhoi District hinin kasngi kala penlong ya ka Mother's Day Special ha Amjong Village Ribhoi ban penko puram ya ki longkmi ki bana ki than khaput jong ka than tiwa. Kani ka program kalong ban pen ko buram ya kilong kmi na ki khat sau tali kishnong bat ban ithu ya ka jingno sinyang jong kilong kmi ban kentiu ya ka yeng ka sam bat ka imlang sa lang ha kani ka program san phunrungut kilong kmi ki bala nyo post nam karta bat kham shalor kila sha pen ko buram de ki jan tap mo kum shi banta jong ka jingle buram ha ka sni rakhe ya ka International Mother's Day ha kani ka program lawan banishim benta the Umentri Sarkar uba Sosthanas Sotun u MLA Kamau Hati uba Charles Marngar ka MDC ka Nongpo ka Rona Kimdet bat kiwe ki nong yalam. Ka Office Jongka District Medical and Health Officer East Jainta Hills ha ka jinga sno aktilang bat ka National Program for Control of Blindness and Visual Impairment NHM Shillong bat ka Association of Community Ophthalmologists of India kalapunlong ya ka Drishti Ratha Yatra Eye Awareness Campaign ha KB Memorial Higher Secondary School Wapong Skur hinin kasngi kani ka program kalasdang da ka jingya patba na pamra Paithlu PHC ban pin sapyang jingtip ha kabaya day bat ka jingko jingkya jangki khamat kumbashis pa lai phongut ki khana school na do class 6 ha do class 10 kila pha pe nya ya ki khamat ha ka ba lai phulai ngut ki khana school kila yo ka jingerap ki badon kam.
Time I went to a higher secondary school, big school, and following that went for
Mentangin ya pai shaki kubor na kalengkatan shatay lamingi. Unong yalam kasang BJP Uhimanta Biswa Sarma hinne kasngi ula bam smai kum menteri rangba ka jala Assam na ka benta ka samoi trekam ka ba RCN kinthi ha ka jingalang ka bala long ha Guwahati ulat ka jala u Lakshman Prasad Acharya ula panya ya ka ni ka jing bam smai haringkat bat usarma ki saungut ki MLA u Rameshwar Teli u ka Ajanta Niyok u Atul Bora bat ucharan Boro kila bam smai kum ki menteri sarkar u menteri rangba do kari Narendra Modi, Menteri Katanat ki Kampok Yeng, Amit Shah, berkiwai pat kinong yalam ke NDA kila Shimbenta, ha ka ni ka jingalang. Menteri Rangba ka jala Arunachal Pradesh Upema Khandu hine kasngi ulapan pau ba ka jingyo thau sarkar biang ka BJP ha Assam ha ka ba laisin kinthi ka long ka jingja ba kongsan na ka benta ka jala bat ka than chatay lami ngi haba ai jingren ha ka jingpen bam smai ya ki bala shaji thamai jong ka sarkar BJP ha Assam u Khandu ula yaro ya ka jingtre bha u Himanta Biswa Sarma ha kini kisnam bala let ba ulapan pau ka jing south kem ba ka jala Assam kan sanang yai keu ha ka jingalam jong
Yeah, this is a very historic moment for Assam since BJP is going to claim, is going to make government for the third consecutive year. And this is going to be the second term of the Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Hemanta Biswa Sharma ji. He has been doing a very wonderful job in his last tenure, and I'm very hopeful that and I convey my best wishes to him, and I'm very hopeful that he will do excellently well towards the development of Assam. Since Assam plays a very important role in entire Northeast India, so being a BJP government and NDA government in Assam, it will play a very positive role not only in Assam but the entire northeastern region.
Mentangin ya pai shaki kubor na kalengkari. Ka Presiden Kari ka Draupadi Murmu hinne kasni kala same ka khusnam National Florence Nightingale Awards araja apun rio shaki khatsan ngot kinos ki bala tebit ha ka jingalang kabla long ha Rashtrapati Bhavan halor ka jing ithu ya ka jing trei bhajong ki ha ka kamnas kani ka khusnam ka long ban pen ko buram kinos kinong pen kha khon bat kiwe ki ba shakri hapo ka sarkar pedeng bat ka sarkar jilla ki union territory bat ki seng trei mon snobha kini ki khusnam ki kanthop ya ka sernot ka song pisa ba shilak tingka bat ki takma mentangin ya pan shaki kubor na kaleng ka perthai ka United Nations kala maham baka jing sedang biang ya kathma ka ba kham he ha pedeng jong kari United States but Iran kan wan ra ya ka jing ta ba jing julor ka bajur na ka jing kio ha ka jing ya kan art ha Strait of Hormuz but usembut nong aiktin ka UN u Farhan Haq uloong ba ka UN ka kwa ba baro kiri ki badon benta bakin shim ya kalat jong ka jing ya kren wat ha pedeng ka jing jur ka jing ya kan art bar ka jing bom ya buram ban sange yasyat ha pedeng ki ari kani ka jing ya kan art kalami hadin ka kubor ba ladon ka jingya pen pai kuli ha pedeng ki shipa US but Iran ha ka Strait of Hormuz hadin jong ka jing sange yasyat min sham banai.
We have tried over the years in all of our diplomatic efforts not to listen too much to the rhetoric by any particular side involved in negotiations. What we want to do is make sure that the parties themselves remain committed to negotiations. A return to full-scale fighting would be, as the Secretary General has repeatedly said, catastrophic.
Mentapat ngini pe ka jinglong jiman ka sumbeng ha keleng ki benta jong kecela. Hatura ka jing kriat kalong 4 degree Celsius ber ka jing shit kalong 4 degree Celsius ka jing sngam ka hau kalong hinru pulai na ka shispa ber ka jing hap slap kalong iwei point saw millimeter. Haba pai pat chonong ba Shillong ka jing kriat kalong 4 degree Celsius bat ka jing shit kalong 4 degree Celsius ka jing sngam ka hau kalong hinru puwei na ka shispa ber ka jing hap slap kalong iwei millimeter. Kat ba hajo wai pan ka jing kriat kalong 100 degree Celsius but ka jing shit kalong 4 degree Celsius ka jing sngam ka hau kalong hinru pukandai na ka shispa but ka jing hap slap kalong iwei point saw millimeter. Ka sun beneng kan dumlo hatura Shillong bat jowai but kala aru bandon ka jing hap slap haki bubun ki jaka. Shaban poi shaka bakut jakatuk kubor ngini pe piang sa shisin yakimat bukongsan. Ka jing job dan buram ka BJP ha Assam kan kata ya ki kam san perthe ha Meghalaya ong unong aiktin ka BJP ha Meghalaya upa hem kharkram. Anpan tarik biang ka sarkar jila na Menteri Rang Badu Kari banwan play ya ka Shillong Medical College. Shen an sa penhe ya ka Shillong Civil Hospital na ka jing kiyo ka jing don ki bawan pa sumar. But an kelalong kamati doyong ka benta ka bakongsan manraya ka election siya ka yindor ba tawaan ha ka chila ha usnam ahaja apupra ang unang ilam ka UDP uba kermen chila. Te parlok ka tungila poy siya ka bakut jang ka thukubo jang imata ka janmit hadup te siyambiang mat pila siya kasni kublay pi barok.